Hi folks, this is Shvankar and I want to welcome you guys to my home. The interiors have been designed by the Creative Access team. Overall, my experience working with the team was wonderful. I look at it from two aspects. One is the functional aspect and the second one is the emotional aspect. So if you look at it from a functional perspective, some of the work that the Creative Access team has done has been exemplary. Especially the cupboards and the wardrobes are very close to my heart and I love them. If you compare, even from an affordability perspective, if you compare some of the work that these guys have done with what is there outside in the market, you will see that price of some of the work is way larger than what Creative Access offers. So from that perspective, I think you should just go ahead and work with these guys. But even the better thing is that even if you look at it from an emotional perspective, the team has always been with us right throughout the implementation. Even as it was implemented, there were regular calls on how it is progressing and a lot of our feedback was incorporated. But even after the work is done, it's not like the relationship is complete. We still have very close contact. The Creative Access team is very reachable. If there are any additions or any changes that we want, they are immediately responded and done for us. So overall, I would suggest that please go ahead and work with the Creative Access team.